Okay, how to delete Cisco Switch startup config and VLAN. At first, yes, I entered in privileged mode. Here I say the a file is config.old and config.yes test, and for VLAN database Vlan.dat. Okay, now I will use more Vlan.dat. Then I can read all of VLAN information here in this file. If I use more again and more config.old or more config.text, yes, more config.old, so I can open and I can read this file from directory. More config.text, I can read in this file also. So more is a command to read a file, to read a text file in Cisco and config file. So how to delete startup config? Write erase or erase startup config. Write erase or erase startup config. Confirm. Yes, now I will enter. Erasing the NVRAM file system with remove all configuration files. Okay, complete. Yes. Yes, no config.txt file here. So config.txt, this file is deleted. The file deleted. Config file deleted. The reload. Now I am restarting Cisco Switch. Yes. Now system configuration has been modified. Save. No. Okay. So here we will use no. Proceed with confirm. Yes. Enter. Just now this Cisco Switch is actually restarting. It's rebooting. It will be back soon. It takes a few minutes to be functional again. So when the switch will be ready, I will use this dir command again, and then I will see that Vlan.dat file still there. So I will delete Vlan.dat, Vlan database. Would you like to enter the initial configuration direct? No. So switch actually is everything deleted. So switch actually, yes, it's now in like new mode, no configuration. So enable, I am in privileged mode. Okay, dir billion dot database file still here. So the command is for delete Vlan.dat database, actually delete then Vlan.dat in privileged mode. In privileged mode, you know, Cisco has three mode: user mode and privilege mode and global configuration mode. Yeah, this is global configuration mode. Now I am configuring host name and host name, yes, new Swiss, exit, because I deleted all configuration. So copy running config, startup config, or copy run start. Okay, now I see here config.txt file again. It's created newly. Now, yes, I will delete this billion.dat file. Delete billion.dat. Delete billion.dat in privileged mode. Just I will enter. Put enter. Show billion. Here I see that some existing, yes, some billion existed. Done. Delete Vlan.dat. This Vlan.dat file disappeared from here. It's deleted actually. Yes. Now copy running config startup config. Reload. Now the switch is reloading, restarting. It will back soon again, and I will check that Vlan.database it's deleted or not. Yes, soon it will back. Yes, now I will check. Now I am in privileged mode. So Vlan.database I don't see here, so it's deleted. Now if I use show Vlan brief, so all Vlan in default Vlan. So everything deleted. Thank you.